Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I did this makeup, then keep watching. So to start off with, I painted a white wiggly line down the centre of my face. I then sponged on the colours of the rainbow, and while the paint was still wet, I pressed on this new super fine Eco Stardust biodegradable glitter. So this look is a bit random as usual. I kind of thought it's like a glittery rainbow skull unicorn. So if you see this headband I'm wearing, it's like a super cute unicorn horn, and I am selling those on my Etsy store, so I will leave a link in the description. I then went in and painted the other side of my face white, as I thought it would be a big contrast with the rainbow. Using a black paint and then a black eyeshadow around it to shade, I just painted along the wiggly line to create this three-dimensional look, as if the white part of the face is being kind of pulled back. And then, still using the black paint, I painted in skull features on both sides of the face. I had to add shading to the rainbow side because of all the glitter, so using a white face paint I added highlights instead. I don't know why, but I seem to have forgotten to film painting on the teeth, so sorry about that, but they're just basic skull teeth. This is the finished look. Hope you like this. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.